Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and this wonderful sketchbook tour. Welcome to my sketchbook tour. This is the sketchbook I'm using. I have sketchbooks linked in the description box, but yeah, let's get started. So this is everything we've drawn together so far. This is a little butterfly, very cute. This is a cute little cow, another little butterfly, another little cow. This is a horse. That's Bluey. I don't have a video up of him yet, but let me know if you want one. And all of these have been on my page as tutorials, so you can learn how to draw all of these with me. Here we have Tralalero, Tralala. I don't know how to say his name. And a cute little strawberry. And a unicorn. And a princess. I haven't done a tutorial for this one yet. Another little unicorn. And a little piggy. And a ladybug. And this is, see these marks here? This is because this drawing was made with Sharpie and it bled through, so that's why I always recommend to use these pencils instead. So this was a princess and a cupcake and a toast. I was just sketching those out. Cute little ladybug. Cupcake. I've got a tutorial of this one on my page. And a piece of toast. A little strawberry. A teddy. And his honey pot. And an owl. And the last one, dino. So, my sketchbook is all filled in. It looks like I gotta go and buy myself a new sketchbook. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you would like to draw together next.